Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your continued support. Remember, if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so that you keep up to date with everything that we're doing. Now, behind me is the Eiffel Tower, and I share this special bond with the Eiffel Tower. Why? Well, because the first time I came to Paris, I slept under the Eiffel Tower. So just think about it, guys. The first time you're in Paris, you're here to enjoy yourself, and I had to sleep under the Eiffel Tower. And I am telling you, it was so very, very cold. Well, this is the story. So it was back in 2003. I came to Paris for the first time. My friend Jason was here as well. And I got to Paris. It was about 10 p.m. when I got to Paris. And we were actually staying outside of Paris. So I had the grand idea. And I said to Jason, let us go into Paris tonight, because I was so excited. I'd heard so much about Paris. My teacher had taught me French and had sold the Parisian dream to me. And so I absolutely wanted to be in Paris to experience what it was like. And I couldn't sleep. I couldn't wait until the next day. So we came out into the streets of Paris. We went to the Champs-Élysées. We were walking on the Champs-Élysées. We were like, wow, this is what our teacher was talking about all these years. And we were here finally. So we saw the Arc de Triomphe, saw the Invalides, and we're enjoying Paris, not realizing that the time was getting so late. So we decided that we were going to walk to the Eiffel Tower. Now, the problem is, we are two country bumpkins coming from Jamaica. We have no idea that not because we see the Eiffel Tower and it appears to be close to us, meant that it was close to us. So we are there and we're walking towards the Eiffel Tower, and we're walking, and we just could not arrive because it was so very far. We got there, took a lot of pictures, having fun, and before we knew it, it was 2:30 in the morning, and we had to now find our way back home. Now, the problem is, remember I said we were staying outside of Paris, and it so happened that there were no more trains to go back home. There were no more trains, and we're talking 2003, so we're talking no GPS, no Uber, no smartphones, nothing like that. So we're here in Paris, and Jason is like, oh, I have a friend who lives in Paris, so we could stay at his place. So here is Jason walking all over Paris trying to find that one friend's house. And he's like, oh, I think he lives near here. But the thing is, all of Paris looks like the same thing. So he's walking all these streets trying to find this friend's house. We can't find it. And we're stuck. Remember, we don't have any cell phones or anything like that, guys, at the time. We're talking 2003. So we had to now make a decision. It was cold. This was February 2003. The temperature was like 0 degrees, so we're freezing. And I'm like, Jason, we've been walking for so long, I cannot walk anymore. So we decided, you know what, we're gonna just stay under the Eiffel Tower and rest for a while. So it was about 3 o'clock when we decided that we were going to sleep under the Eiffel Tower. Jason couldn't sleep. I dozed off a bit because I was thinking it was so cold. If I could sleep, then it would just make the time pass quicker and then it would be morning. Lo and behold, when I woke up, brethren and friends, it was just 3:30. So, so here I am under the Eiffel Tower, freezing. My fingers are frozen. We are lost. We have no hope of getting home. And so we're there until we saw this bus. So we're like, oh my God, there's a bus. So then we realized that there were night buses in Paris. So we decided that we were going to take the night bus. Now, we got on a bus and we had to show our bus tickets. Jason showed his bus ticket. I am looking for my, remember, you know, this was so cold. I was wearing like about 3 different jackets. So I'm looking for my ticket, can't find the ticket. The bus controllers were on the bus and they kicked us off the bus because I couldn't find my ticket. So in the cold, we were kicked off the bus, and so we had to wait. As soon as the bus started to drive, guess what happened? I found the ticket. And I was like, I cannot believe my luck. Why are we lost in Paris and why is everything going so bad? And this is my first time feeling cold. Because listen to me, in Jamaica, they say Mandeville is cold, but that was nothing compared to what we were going through in Paris that night. So, lo and behold, we got another bus and we managed to take it to Jason's friend's house and we slept there for the night. So, that is what happened. My first night in Paris, we got lost. We decided that we had to sleep under the Eiffel Tower because we just had no option. So guys, we've come a far way. Now we have GPS, now we have Uber, now we have smartphones, now we have all these things. But once upon a time, it was not so easy. So that was my story time. Next time I'm going to tell you what happened in Amsterdam, how I got lost in Amsterdam 1 week later. Guys, please like and let me hear in the comment what you think about my experience. Have you ever been lost? Share your experience in the comment. I'm looking forward to reading you.